There you go. Reach and pull. And this one too. There you go. And kick those feet. Kick. There you go. And bubble. There you go, bubbles. You got some bubbles in there? She's laughing at me.
She likes you.
She's silly. Ready to jump again? All right. Okay, show me your toes. Remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. This time, we're going to spin around. Spin. Oh, you gotta let me go. Ah, thank you. And spin around, and you're going to lay your head back on my shoulder and look straight up. Can you look straight up? There you go. Lay your head back there. You got to kick our feet. Oh, that's so good. Look at there. There's some big splashes. Look at there. Good job. Good. You look up. Lay back. What do you see up there?